Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Tim Hortons account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. First of all, open up your browser. Right, so for me I've already typed in timhortons.com over my browser search bar, and I'm over here. But for you, you can go ahead, open up your app as well if it's, or you can go to the browser and do as I have done over here. Afterwards, we're going to go ahead, tap on this account section where we will be able to create our account for us. Then we'll tap on this option called account info that is given below the Tim's reward. Here in this section, we actually have to confirm all of the information for us to first, including our zip code and United States. Once you've added all of the information and confirmed it, verified ourselves, we actually will be able to get access to this option called, in our setting our profile page, we can add access this option called modify or delete. Right, and then we can go ahead, tap on the delete option, and we will be simply be able to delete it. Otherwise, the other option we do have, we're gonna go to this search bar and type in .com. So once we go to there, we will be able to simply be able to delete our account from or with the help of Tim Hortons help center. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.